Hey guys, welcome back to Ranchology. Today I'm going to be changing the idler arm, which is on the passenger side of the truck, on my 2001 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive. All of the tools and the parts that I replaced, well, the part that I replaced, will be in the description box below. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and otherwise I have my vehicle lifted and supported safely. Wheels are chocked in the rear, so let's get started. Alright, so there you have it, your new idler arm. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like the video if you haven't, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow me along on Instagram or Facebook. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Till next time.